Across the vast grasslands of Africa, under the endless blue sky and the whisper of winds through tall grasses, we can easily spot the majestic elephants moving gracefully in herds. Today, let us embark on a journey to explore the magnificent world of elephants, the gentle giants of nature. Long regarded as symbols of strength, wisdom, and unity, on the savannah, elephants are mainly African elephants, the largest land animals on Earth. Their enormous ears, shaped like the African continent, help regulate body temperature in the scorching heat. In addition to the African savanna elephant, there are also African forest elephants, which live in dense rainforests, and Asian elephants, which are smaller and mainly found in South and Southeast Asia. Yet, on the open plains, the most iconic and striking image is that of the African elephants, moving tens of kilometers each day in search of food and water. Elephants are the largest living land mammals. A fully grown African elephant can reach 3 to 4 meters in height and weigh between 4 to 6 tons, with some individuals exceeding 7 tons. Their massive ears not only create a majestic appearance but also act as biological fans, helping them release heat during hot days. Their long, curved tusks are actually overgrown incisors, serving both as weapons for defense and as tools for digging soil, breaking branches, and foraging. Most remarkable of all is the trunk, a versatile organ with more than 40,000 muscles, allowing elephants to breathe, vocalize, drink, uproot grass, and even pick up the tiniest objects such as a single blade of grass or a small flower. What makes elephants stand out is not only their appearance but also their intelligence and emotions. Research shows that elephants have a brain weighing up to 5 kilograms, the largest among all land animals. They can remember routes, distinguish different sounds, and even recognize their own reflection in a mirror, a rare trait shared only with highly intelligent species like dolphins and chimpanzees. Elephants also have rich emotional lives. They rejoice when reunited, grieve the loss of a member, and show remarkable empathy and care for one another. Life on the savannah is inseparable from the herd. Elephants are highly social creatures that always live in groups. A herd usually consists of 10 to 20 members, led by an older female known as the matriarch. With her incredible memory, the matriarch knows ancient routes to hidden water sources and safe shelters during droughts, while passing this knowledge on to younger generations. Within the herd, females and calves stay together, while adult males eventually leave to live alone or form small bachelor groups. Calves are always protected. When a newborn arrives, other females take turns caring for it, creating a circle of protection to ensure its safety. Survival on the savannah requires constant movement. Elephants often travel tens or even hundreds of kilometers seasonally in search of food and water. During the rainy season, they feed on fresh grasses and green leaves. But in the long dry season, scarcity forces them to rely on memory and cooperation to reach distant areas where underground water and tough vegetation still exist. Sometimes, by using their tusks and trunks to dig for water, elephants create natural waterholes that later become life-saving resources for countless other animals. Their diet is extremely diverse. As herbivores, an adult elephant can consume 150 to 200 kilograms of vegetation every day. including grasses, leaves, roots, fruits, and even tree bark. Their feeding habits earn them the title of ecosystem engineers, because by knocking down trees and digging for water, they unintentionally create habitats for many other species across the savanna. African elephants can be found across many regions of Africa, but they are most abundant in the savannas and open woodlands of Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, and South Africa. Yet, their habitat is shrinking rapidly due to the expansion of agriculture and urbanization. Today, the situation of elephants is deeply concerning. Over the past century, their numbers have dropped dramatically. The main causes are poaching for ivory and habitat loss. Tusks, which are simply overgrown teeth, have become deadly targets, with thousands of elephants killed each year. Global warming and drought are making food and water scarcer, while conflicts between elephants and humans are increasing as elephants raid farmlands in search of food, causing damage and tension with local communities. If this continues, elephants, the very icons of the savanna, may disappear in the near future. Losing elephants means not only the loss of a unique species but also a severe imbalance in the ecosystem. So, what can we do to protect them? First, we must say no to ivory products, because every piece of ivory represents a lost elephant's life. Second, we can support conservation organizations that work tirelessly to safeguard elephants and restore their habitats. Third, we can spread knowledge and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these magnificent creatures. The image of a herd of elephants roaming freely across the savanna, with their trumpeting echoing under the setting sun, is not only a breathtaking sight but also a priceless heritage of nature. Protecting elephants means protecting life itself, protecting our shared home, Earth. And only when we act together can these gentle giants continue to walk proudly and firmly across the endless green savanna. If you enjoy stories about nature and wildlife, please leave us a comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos.